Hey there, fellow innovators and scientists. Welcome back to our channel, where we celebrate the incredible work being done by young minds in agriculture. Today, we're highlighting 5 inspiring projects that are revolutionizing the way we produce, distribute, and consume food. First up, we have a team in Kenya who have created an app to connect small-scale farmers with markets, ensuring fresh produce gets to consumers quickly. Talk about efficiency. Next, we have a group in Nigeria who are using drones to spray and monitor crops, making farming safer and more effective. High five for innovation. In India, some young scientists are harnessing the power of algae as a sustainable protein source for fish feed. This could lead to increased fish production and reduce pressure on wild fish stocks. Brilliant! A team in Ghana is breeding disease-resistant cassava using biotechnology. This could transform lives by increasing yields and reducing food shortages. Amazing work! Lastly, in Peru, a group is developing small-scale hydroponic systems that grow vegetables without soil or fertilizer for remote communities. This could be a game-changer for sustainable food production. Well done! So there you have it, folks. 5 inspiring projects showcasing the talent of young innovators and scientists in agriculture. Keep up the amazing work. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and keep innovating.